Welcome to my YouTube channel Modi Mechanical Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I would like to explaining about tube making process. Basically, tube that will be having a wide applications in the field of engineering. So let us start with the theory. So basically, tubes or you can say pipes are required in large quantity by the industries in all over the world. Because tubes and pipes basically used to transferring the liquid or gaseous substance in it from one place to another place, and it will be having a wide applications. So basically just you can see the arrangement of the tube manufacturing. So here the manufacturing of the tubes, so here that will be the rolls is being used from upper side as well as from the lower side, and in between these two rollers it will be continuously rolling, and in between there is a raw material is being passed from the left side to right side. Just you can see in this figure here, that will be the mandrel bar, it will be positioning because that is used to make the hollow part, and that will be used to make the tubes. So from the sharp edge it will be placing like this. So by the rolling of these two rollers, so these raw materials it will be traveling from left side to right side, and this is the sharp edge. Because of this sharp edge of the mandrel bar, these materials it will be dividing into two ways like this. So this is the cross sectional area, so it will be the circular path is there. So this hollow tube is being manufacturing with the help of this mandrel bar and these rotating two dies. So just you can see with the help of these two elliptical hollow tubes, and finally from right side it will be making of tubes. So tubes are basically two types. So they are either seamless or you can say without any kind of joint, or with joints all along the length of the tube. But as per the engineering requirements, the without joints are very much used, and this is the methodology to make a seamless tubes, and that will be having a good length. Because in joints that will be having a difficult to manufacturing and difficult to surviving the load conditions. If it will be the temperature is there and the pressure is there, so that will be having a difficulties. But with the help of this methodology of making a tubes, you can say it will be our seamless tube. So there is no joint into this manufacturing process. So seamless tubes are by process such as casting, extrusion or rolling, and tubes with joints are made by the welding. So in this process, a heated round billet with its leading end in the center of which a short guide holes has been punched or you can say drill is pushed longitudinally between two large tapered rollers. So here two large taper rollers that will be continuously rotating. So the rolls revolve in the same directions and their axes are inclined at opposite angles of approximately 6 degree from the axis of the billet. Billet you can say that will be the raw material. As the billet is caught by the rolls and is rotated, their inclinations causes the material to drawn from forward direction, or you can say from left side to right side. The small clearance between the rolls force of the materials to deform into the elliptical shapes. Then as the billet moves forward and keeps rotating, the tearing action is propagated throughout the length of the billet, and end result is roughly formed a seamless tube of the elliptical cross sectional area. So this one, as you can see, this is the end views. This roughly formed the seamless tube is further rolled in a plug rolling mills. The final operation of the reeling and sizing are further conducted on cool tubes to improve the size and finishing of the tubes. I hope you can understand this. If you like this, then subscribe and share more the mechanical engineering tutorials. Thank you so much.